quick video here to help you understand how to plug a constant into a linear equation. We'll use this example to illustrate it. A physicist models how the temperature in degrees Celsius of a hot metal rod changes over time in minutes. And the physicist produces the following linear equation. So this equation, temp equals 150 minus 3.2 times time, is a linear equation that relates the two variables. Our question we're going to answer today is, what is the temperature of the metal rod after 20 minutes? So we're fortunate that the question itself asked about minutes here, and that's the same unit our model is in, so there's no conversion needed. So I'm going to start filling things in. And where I see time here, instead of leaving it as a word, we're going to plug in the value it's curious about, which is 20. Now that we can see that we have temperature equals the arithmetic on the right-hand side, we have to remember our order of operations to determine what we do first in simplifying this. So I see 150, I see a subtraction, 3.2 times 20, and the order of operation tells us that multiply and divide, in this case, multiply happens before subtraction. So we're going to multiply 3.2 times 20 first in our effort to simplify this to determine this temperature. So 3.2 times 20 is 64. Now the only operation left is subtracting 64 from 150. There's no competition of who comes first. There's only one operation left, and that is the number 86. So our answer is 86 degrees Celsius would be the temperature of the metal rod after 20 minutes.